This is Faiz with another lecture of correct use of English. It is the seventh lecture of this series. Today we will learn about pronouns which are used for common things in person. Common things in person. Here is a table before you, each, everything, someone, nothing, somebody, anyone, something, anything, no one, everyone, nobody, everyone. These are singular. Why we want to know singular or plural noun and pronoun? Because we like to use the correct form of the verb. If we do not know that some noun or pronoun is singular or plural, we cannot use verb accurately with them in writing and speaking. If we want to improve our writing and speaking, we have to know which word is singular and which is plural. So each of the student is, everything of this room is in shatters. Someone has stolen my pen. Nothing has happened over there. Somebody is trying to interfere in my affair. Anyone can go there and fetch a burger from that shop. Something is wrong there. Anything is wrong there. So these are singular and take singular verb. Now, followings are plural, some, many, few, all. These are plural. Some of the students were absent today. Many of the students are absent today. Few students have turned up today for the seminar. All of the students have come to attend the seminar. So these are plural and takes plural verb. Now, they're much, little. They are used to express quantity. There's a little water in the jug. There's much water in the jug. Many and few. These are used to express both quantity and number. There's a few water in the glass. Many of the students have come. Number and quantity both. Some, many, and all. These are three words. They express both quantity and number. You may say some water. This is quantity. You may say some money. We may say some students. We may say many students. We may say all the money which I have had that was lost. And all the students were present today in the class. So we can use these words to express quantity as well as number. Now, some is used in affirmative sentences, simple positive sentences. I have some pieces of bread. While any is used in negative as well as interrogative sentences. Any of the students present can't answer the question. Can't answer the questions. Now, there's a pronoun one that should always be followed by one. We cannot use his or her after one. One should always be responsible for one's act. We cannot use here his or her. None. Now, there are some rules. None can be used both as singular and plural. And there are conditions when it can be used singular and plural. If the noun is uncountable, we cannot count that noun, the verb should be singular. The verb which will come with none should be singular. None of the water is fit to drink. Like this, because water is uncountable. And when it comes with countable nouns, we can use a plural verb with it, as boys are countable. So none of the boys have seen the museum before. But usually, take it in your mind that usually none is used as plural. None of the books were found which I lost yesterday. Which I lost yesterday. Thank you very much for watching. This was with another lecture of correct English, correct use of English in writing and speaking. We will be here next time.